Sister, come closer. Let's tie this beautiful Ankara head wrap together that you can rock to church today. How are you all doing? Welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, we're going to be making use of our 2.5 yards Ankara fabric to tie this beautiful head wrap style. And we just take it from front to back, and then we do it in such a way that is the division of 90-10. You can see I have a very short end, and I just tie it at the back around the perimeter of my head, and I leave my ponytail here out, and you can see how I tuck in the excess right there. And now I have it very snuggy in my head. And now I'm just going to gather the rest of the fabric, and the reason why I did it 90-10 is so that I can have a longer hand to wrap around my perimeter. But see what I'm doing, as I'm bringing it forward, I make folds, like small folds, using my ear tie to secure it in place, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and make more folds, and that's going to be my second fold, like just a small quantity of air drop material. In this case of the Ankara, I try to kind of like take only 2 folds and wrap the rest to the back, making a rope twist. But I feel like this material that left is too long, so I go ahead and make that third oats. So I folded the material again and hold another small portion. Now I feel like it's shorter to what I really want. I roll it in a rope twist and go in and tuck in the rest fabric at the back. And you can see the head wrap style is coming together already. I just kind of like open that folds. I have 3 folds in front, if you remember correctly. I just kind of like open them up slowly in this manner. And you can see, you can make it more gigantic, like more bigger, but I don't want it to be too big. I just open it up in a puffy way so that I make like a puff shape, and that's it. It's as simple as ABC. You can see we tied this beautiful Ankara head wrap style in less than 3 minutes. So this is definitely a church head wrap style that you can tie in less than 3 minutes, and you will be good to go without you running late trying to tie your gele to church. And what do you think? Isn't this beautiful? Very simple, unique and beautiful Ankara head wrap style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do and you haven't followed this page, what are you waiting for? Give me a follow today and you will learn a lot of different DIY head wrap tutorial from this page on a daily basis. We give you inspiration to be able to do it on your own. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you gain value. I hope you learn something. Let me know what you think about this head wrap style in the comment section. And what head wrap style will you like to see me doing in my next video? I drop tutorial every single day, both long form and short form. Depending on what you like, you can consume as much as you want, and I have over 150 head wrap styles in my head wrap playlist. Do check them out if you want to learn more, and you will be glad you did. And in the short form content, I have over 100 tutorials of different DIY head wrap style. And that's it for this head wrap style. You have a blessed and wonderful Sunday. I will see you in my next video. I love you all.